Hey everyone, this is Ty Burton, also known as Ty Style the Credit Lady. I just want to give you some benefits of Credit Karma. Yes, the word on the street is that it's not accurate, but in reality it is. It uses the Vantage score. What is the Vantage score? It's what the credit bureaus weigh you far as your credibility. Now, if you're trying to apply for any credit cards, auto loans, or mortgage loan, that's why you want to look at your FICO score. But let's go back to Credit Karma. If you are new to credit, don't really understand the moving parts of it, I recommend this app. Why? Because it does break down the payment history, your credit age, derogatory marks, collections, things of this nature, and it shows you how it's weighed on your credit. So if you're new to this, I always recommend download Credit Karma, see what's being reported in black and white in your name, and then contact my office for assistance. Thank you again. Our services, like I said, it's a limited time, $5.99 to get you started. It comes with 90 days of guidance from start to finish to help you reach your credit goals. We'll dispute incorrect and unverified information on your behalf. You will have access to the secure portal where your information is secured, and you will also have one 30-minute consultation a month during the time of services, so we can identify and keep track of the activity based off our services and also on your habits as well. So once again, I am Ty Burton, the Credit Queen of the South, also known as Ty Style Credit Lady. Thank you for coming to this presentation. To get started, you will just visit